Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your laptop or PC is slow, hang often, or struggle while gaming, then this video is just for you. Today I will show you how to increase virtual RAM in Windows 10 and 11 without changing any hardware. Before we begin, let's understand what virtual RAM is. Virtual RAM is a part of your hard disk that Windows uses as a temporary memory when real RAM runs out. It's not as fast as real RAM, but it helps your computer perform better while multitasking. Let's start step by step. First, go to the advanced system and setting, then advanced, then performance settings, again advanced, then virtual memory change, then uncheck box, then custom size. So there is initial size and maximum size. So as a window recommended, there is a formula for the initial size and maximum size. So let's see. So virtual memory is measured in MB. 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. Formula for initial size is physical RAM into 1024 and maximum size is 1.5 into initial RAM, that is 1.5 into RAM into 1024 or 2 into RAM or 1024. There is two formula for maximum size, that is 1.5 into initial RAM and 2 into initial RAM. So 1.5 it is standard formula. It will be balance performance and disk space both. 2 into initial RAM, it will be little bit aggressive, so it will be used when the you are using heavy apps and multitasking. So it will be recommended to use 1.5 into initial size for maximum virtual RAM. Suppose if PC has 8 GB RAM, then initial size it will be 1024 equal to 8192 MB, and maximum size it will be 8 into 1.5 into 1024 equal to 12288 MB. Let's configure it. As my laptop's RAM is 8 GB, use configuration for 8 GB RAM, that is 8192 and maximum size 12288. So set and OK. Don't forget to set, otherwise virtual RAM it will not be created. And after that, restart the PC or laptop. If this video find you useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.